This lesson we discuss about finding coefficients of any term in a binomial expansion and how to use binomial expansions to solve some given problems. So find the sixth term in the expansion of x plus 2y given a raised power 10. Now remember that if you have a plus b power n, the solution. So note that if we have a plus b power n, this is the same as r from 0 to n combination r, x power n, a power n minus r, b power r. So which can be written as n combination 0, a power n plus n combination 1, a power n minus 1b plus n combination 2, a n minus 2, b power 2, up to plus n combination n, b power n. Now, this become the first term. So this is the first term. This is the first term. This is the second term. This is the third term, etc. up to this day, like t plus 1 term. So which means the first term r is 0, second term r is 1, third term r is 2, and n plus 1 term r is n. So therefore, if we have x plus 2y power 10, which will be written as summation r from 0 to 10, 10 combination r, x, and then 2y power, so x power 10 minus r, then 2y power r. So 10th term, sixth term implies r is 5. So therefore, sixth term will be 10 combination 5, x power 10 minus 5, 2y power 5, because the value of r is 5. So we have 10 combination 5, x power 5 times 2 power 5 times y power 5. Now 10 combination 5 is 10 factorial over 5 factorial into 10 minus 5 factorial. So we are multiplying this one by 2 power 5 times x power 5, y power 5. So 10 factorial will be 10 times 5 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial divided by 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 5 factorial. So this and this cancels out. Then 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 4. So we have 9 times 4 times 7. So 36 times 7. So this is 2, 3 by 7, 21, plus 4 is 25. So we get 252. So 252 multiplied by 2 power 5, x power 5, y power 5. So which will be given by 8064 x power 5, y power 5. Next question, find the fourth term in the expansion of x minus 3y power 8. So solution, here n is 8, n is 8, and when you say fourth term, implies r is 3. So fourth term will be given by 8 combination 3, and then x power 8 minus 3 minus 3y raised power 3. So 8 factorial over 3 factorial into 8 minus 3 factorial times x power 5 times minus 3 power 3 times y power 3. So 8 by 7 by 6 by 5 factorial over 3 by 2 by 1 by 5 factorial times minus 3 power 3 x power 5 y power 3. So 5 factorial cancels out. So 1, 2, 1, 1. So 8 by 5 is 8 by 7 is 56 times minus 3 power 3 x power 5 y power 3. So this will be negative 15, 12 x power 5 y power 3. And number 3, find the coefficient of the term in x power 6 in the expansion of x plus 2y equals to raised power 9. Now remember, this will be written as x plus 2y power 9 is the same as summation r from 0 to 9, 9 combination r, x power 9 minus r, 2y power r. So to get x to be having power 6, I will simply say 9 minus r should be 6, which means r is 9 minus 6, which is 3. So the value of r should be 3. So n equals to 9, r equals to 3. So therefore the term in x power 6 is 9 combination 3 x power 9 minus 3 2y power 3. So 9 factorial over 3 factorial into 9 minus 3 factorial times x power 6 times 2 power 3 times y power 3. So which will be 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial times 2 power 3 x power 6 y power 3. So which will be this and this cancels out. 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 4. So 12 by 7 is 84. We have 84 times 2 power 3 times x power 6, y power 3. 84 by 2 power 3 will give us 672, x power 6, y power 3. So therefore, the coefficient of the term in x power 6 is, so this number, which is 672. Next question. So find one plus y power 8 up to the term in y power 3. Hence, use your expansion to solve or to estimate 1.02 power 8 to nearest 4 significant figures. So 1 plus y power 8 is summation r from 0 to 8, 8 combination r, 1 power 8 minus r, y power r. So if we have to go up to y power 3, so if we write this summation, we'll have 8 combination 1, combination 0, 1 power 8 minus 1 power 8 is just 1, then plus 8 combination 1, and then y plus 8 combination 2, y power 2, plus 8 combination 3, y power 3. So this is 1 plus 8 combination 1 is 8, so 8y. 8 combination 2 is 28, so y squared. 8 combination 3 is 56, y power 3. Then 1.02 power 8 can be written as 1 plus 0.02 power 8. So which means if we relate to 1 plus y power 8, if we say this is equivalent to 1 plus 0.02 power 8, this means we replace y for 0.02. So fix y for 0.02 will have 1.02 power 8 will be 1 plus 8 times 0.02 plus 28, 0.02 squared plus 56, 0.02 power 3. When you sum this, you get 1.171648, but we were to write our answer to nearest 4 significant figures, so we say this approximately 1.172. Next, expand 1 minus 2x power 6 up to the term in x power 3 and estimate to 3 decimal places the value of 0.98 raised power 6. So here, we note that 1 plus minus 2x power 6 is the same as 6 combination 0, 1 power 6 plus 6 combination 1, 1 power 5 minus 2x power 1 plus 6 combination 2, 1 power 4 minus 2x power 2 plus 6 combination 3, 1 power 3 minus 2x power 3. Now, because we are only interested with having term to x power 3, so we stop at this point. So 6 combination 0 is 1, 1 by 1 is 1, 6 combination 1 is given by 6. So 6 times minus 2 times x. 6 combination 2 is 15. And then times minus 2 power 2 x squared. 6 combination 3 is 20. Minus 2 power 3 x power 3. So this will be 1 minus 12 x, then plus 60 x squared. Sign here will be minus, and then 2 power 3 times 20 is 160 x power 3. So we'll stop at that point because we have been asked to reach x power 3. So then now 0.98 can be written as 1 plus minus 0.02. So when I raise this one to power 6, I also raise this to power 6. So which can be written as 1 plus or 1 minus 1 minus 2 into 0.01 power 6. So when I say 1 minus 2y equals to power 6, I relate to 1 minus 2 into 0.01 power 6. I see that y should be replaced for 0.01. So, okay, x is what you're using. So this is x. So this means that x will be 0.01. So therefore, 0.98 power 6 will be 1 minus 12 times 0.01 plus 60 0.01 squared minus 160 0.01 power 3. On substitution, we get 0.88584, which is the same as 0.886 to 3 decimal places. Then there's what we call middle term. In the expansion of a plus b power n. So if case 1, if n is even, then n plus 1 will be odd. So n over 2 plus 1, one's term, will only be the middle term. In the expansion, since a plus b power n has n plus 1 terms. So we're saying that if the number n is an even number, then the middle term will actually be n over 2 plus 1 term. But when n is odd, then n plus 1 will be even, and so the middle term will be n plus 1 over 2 and n plus 1 over 2 plus 1 term. So we do an example to illustrate what this one means. So for example, find the middle term in the expansion of two plus y power 5. So here, n is odd. So we have n plus 1, which is the same as 5 plus 1, which is 6 terms. So the middle term will be n, which is 5, n, which is n plus 1, so it will be 5 plus 1 over 2 and 5 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 term, i.e., this will be the third and fourth terms. So you see the third term means we'll have 5 combination. Third term means R is 2, so 5 combination 2 of 2 power 5 minus 2, then y raised power 2, which would be 5 combination 2, 2 power 3, y power 2. And then fourth term means R is 3, so 5 combination 3, 2 power 5 minus 3, y power 3, which is 5 combination 3, 2 power 2, y power 3. I remember 5 combination 2 is 5 factorial over 2 factorial, 5 minus 2 factorial, which is 5 times 4 times 3 factorial over 2 times 3 factorial. So this one, this is 2, so 10 times 2 power 3 y squared, so which is be 80 y power 2. Then also 5 combination 3 is 10, so I have times 2 power 2 y power 3, which is 40 y power 3. So the middle terms will be 80 y power 2 and 40 y power 3. Then find the middle term of this expansion, 1 minus x squared over 2 power 14. So here, n equals to 14, so which means there are 14 plus 1, which is 15 terms. So if there are 15 terms, then the middle term is n over 2 plus 1, which is the same as 8th term. So 8th term means r is 7, so that you'll have T8 equals to 8 combination 7. Okay, our n is 14, so remember here n is 14. So 14 combination 7, and then 1 power 14 minus 7 minus x squared over 2 power 7. So be the same as 14 combination 7. A 1 power 7 is just 1. So I'll have negative a half power 7 times x squared power 7. So we'll have 14 factorial over 7 factorial, 14 minus 7 factorial times minus 1 over 2 power 7 times x power 14. So when you simplify this, you get minus 429 over 16 x power 14. So next, we'll now demonstrate how to carry out binomial expansion involving any rational index, not necessarily a positive integer.